Alright, let's take a look at an outdoor indoor light that you can set up, but this is mostly great for outdoor. Very protective, easy to install. Now it does have a sensor on the top in here. Does not provide a light bulb. You have to provide your own light bulb, but looks very simple to set up, and aesthetics is look beautiful for any outdoor garden or front door or garage. The bell itself separate, you could add it up if you want. The light bulb, it could take up to 60 watts on it. Cabling is very simple. It has ground, it has hot and neutral, and it has the base itself. One light only, one bowl only. That's all it's required, but easy to install. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's look at the light, how beautiful it looks at night. Has the sensor on the top from day to night mode.